गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे आपको हम स्पीड के बारे में बताएंगे। ये इसकी ये स्पीड है क्या और इससे रिलेटेड कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स जिसको मैथ्स कहते हैं बनाएंगे। तो फर्स्ट वी कम टू द टर्म्स स्पीड। व्हाट इज स्पीड? व्हाट whenever we say a speed of a particular body, it means that body must in a state of the motion, but whether the body is in high speed or low speed, it depends upon their speed. कोई बॉडी कितना तेज है मूवमेंट कर रहा है या कितना स्लो मूवमेंट कर रहा है, दैट कैन डिटरमिन बाय द टर्म्स दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पीड. You can also define the speed, the distance travels by a body in a given time interval. Distance travel by a body in a given time interval that finally give the value of speed. Like what is speed in a mathematically? Speed is equal to distance and time taken. Suppose a body has a speed of a body travels distance of 40 kilometer in time 30 minutes, then we can calculate speed. First we change the time minutes into hours. For that we divide the minutes into 60, then we calculate, then we find hour, so it becomes 1 by 2 hours. Now we put the formula of that. Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time, and distance is 40 kilometer and time is 1 by 2 hours. So kilometer hours, when you calculate finally you got 14 to 2 kilometer per hour. It becomes 80 kilometer per hour. But the SI unit of the speed, every physical quantity means the quantity that can measured. So speed is also physical quantity, distance is also physical quantity, time is also physical quantity, and they all have their tools or unit by which we can represent that physical quantity. So SI unit of the speed is meter per second, but we can also use in a bigger unit like kilometer per hour, but this meter per second is a SI unit of the speed. So this is the concept of the speed. Generally that can use in your books to make the some of the numericals regarding in a chapters, that's speed. One more example, two car A has 40 kilometer per hour speed is 40 kilometer per hour, and car B has car B speed has 50 kilometer per hour, and both travel in the same direction and travels in a 3 hours. So how much both of the car travels the distance and which one travels more? So for that what we do, first we calculate the distance. So distance is equal to speed equal to distance by time, and from that formula we can also write distance is equal to speed into time. For car A For car A, speed is 40 kilometer per hour and distance is 3 hours, because both of the car has also traveled 3 hours and car B has also traveled 3 hours, but the speed is different from each other. One has 40 kilometer per hour, other is 50 kilometers. So first, for car A, for car A, distance is equal to 40 kilometer per hour speed into time, that becomes 120 kilometer per hour. It is a distance traveled by the car A, and car B, the distance is equal to, it has a speed of 50 kilometer per hour and time is also 3 hours for both of them, so it has also 3 hours. It becomes 150 kilometer distance. So B has travels more distance, because A travels 120 kilometer, B travels 150 kilometer. But how much B travels? Distance traveled by B, distance traveled more by B is equal to 150 kilometer minus 120 kilometer. So it is about 30 kilometer more. So the car travels 30 kilometer more than the B. So from this topic is speed, we can generally use that formula, speed into distance by time, and distance is equal to speed into time. These all are to making the numericals in the speed. Thank you.